Hello friends, welcome. This is a cash book prepared in MS Excel with the help of macros. We have 3 sheets here: menu, cash book and a summary of receipts and payments. I have prepared this cash book in such a way that you can totally work with keyboard. Control B, go back to menu. Control B is go back to menu, Control R, we will start with feeding. See, click here with your mouse, just say Control R. I am saying Control R. Receipts, R refers to receipts. Receipts user form has come up. Click on this. I'll say salary. Okay, enter. I'll say 45,000 for May or for April 2017. Enter. Escape. Just say Control K to go to cash book. See, today's date, salary, under receipts 45,000 amount appears, then narration, payments is blank. Okay, go back, Control B, go back to this, say Control P for payments. Payments user form has come up. I am using cursor keys. Rent paid. Okay, 10,000 for May 2017. Escape. Control K to go to cash book. See, the rent entry appears here. Okay, Control M to go to the summary sheet. See, here we had received a salary of this much and we had paid a rent of this much. If I pay rent again next month, that will get added up to this figure. So this whole file can be used for one full year, and for the next period you can copy this whole file and prepare a new for the next financial year. Okay, let us put something here for maintenance. Right away I will do Control P. Maintenance 1400. Enter for May 2017. Escape. Control B, cash book. You can see maintenance has come here. Control M for summary. See, it has come here. I'll put maintenance of another 600. That this will become 2000. Let us see. Control P of 600 rupees. Now let's go to cash book. See, another 600 has come. Control M. See, the 600 is added up to the earlier 1400 rupees amount. So cumulative figures come here. The beauty of this program is you can, from here to here in this range, you can delete the existing values and you can create your own values. And you did not worry about this. The figures will come automatically. But take care, you should not change these values often. you can, because some amount may remain here. Say for maintenance we have 2000 here. Supposing here instead of maintenance I change this to maintenance, repairs and maintenance. Then what happens? The existing 2000 pertaining to maintenance will not appear here. Though it will remain in the cash book, it will remain here, but it will not be visible here. So it's better to think of the values in advance and use them. And when you see up to this range, you can use payments. Say I have used sheep rearing here. Let us see whether it catches or not. Just say S, it comes. If you say M, maybe miscellaneous. M for maintenance, M for miscellaneous, MI, miscellaneous. Miscellaneous expenses, enter. See, control K, miscellaneous expense has come. Control M, it has come here. See, miscellaneous has come here. So this way you can keep your own values. You can type your own values here from rent till maintenance, miscellaneous expenses. You can delete this and you can keep your own, you can type your own values. Here I have said receipts and payment values are editable. Here you can give your opening balance of cash. Let us suppose this. That means total cash balance with you should be this much. And summary, control. Now and then keep saving your work. Control S.